Hey there, and welcome back to our online bamboo massage therapy course. Today, we will talk about pressure points and the reflexology method. We will demonstrate how you can use both therapies to be able to release muscle tension on patients' arms, neck, and feet using bamboo ancient techniques. We will explore take-fumi, self-release foot massage, and some other ways to train your balance and agility using very simple bamboo tools. In acupressure, pressure points are thought to be powerfully sensitive body parts. Some people believe that applying pressure to these pressure points can help relieve pain, establish balance, and improve overall health. The practice of using pressure points falls under the disciplines of acupressure and reflexology, which study how one part of the human body relates to another. Many of the body's most powerful pressure points are believed to be in the hands. There are 8 essential pressure points in the hand. Applying a pointy edge of a gua sha bamboo tool upon those points will help to save your hands and thumbs. You may also apply a circular motion using firm pressure for a count of 5 seconds and repeat 2 more times on each spot. According to those who practice reflexology, applying the appropriate touch to the hands can energize and restore health to other body parts, including internal organs if you're feeling tired or have a disease. Note that reflexology isn't a scientifically proven way to boost your health. However, some practitioners believe that it's an effective and appropriate way to improve many health conditions. Let's look a little closer at those pressure points. The Heart 7 pressure point can be found in the crease of your wrist. It lies in line with the space between your ring and pinky finger. There's a bone directly in line next to this pressure point. Reflexologists claim that applying gentle pressure to this spot may protect against anxiety, insomnia, heart palpitations, and depression. The small intestine 3 pressure point is located at the outside part of your hand, right on the edge. The point lies in the depression of your hand just below your pinky finger. Putting firm pressure on this point is thought to relieve neck pain, earaches, and headaches that occur at the back of your head. You can find your lung meridian pressure point by looking at the edge of your hand. It runs from the tip of your thumb down along the side of your hand, ending just beneath the crease of your wrist. Run your finger along this line. If you find a sore spot along this line, reflexologists say you should gently massage it until it feels better. This may help relieve any cold symptoms, such as chills, sneezing, runny nose, and sore throat. The inner gate point can be found in a special spot on the crease of your wrist. Hold out your hands as if you're receiving a gift, with your wrists together. Take one hand and feel about 3 centimeters out from where your wrists were touching in the middle. Reflexologists recommend you massage this point firmly with your thumb. This is believed to improve your digestion and relieve any nausea or stomach pain. The outer gate point can be found between 2 tendons on the backside of the arm. Place 3 fingers from your other hand above your wrist. Use those fingers to apply firm pressure to this part of your hand to potentially give your immune system a quick boost. Reflexologists also believe applying pressure to this part of the hand could give you a rush of energy. You can find your wrist point 1 on your wrist. Run a finger down your pinky to your wrist crease, keeping it in line with your finger. Now you've found the point. Reflexologists claim that firmly pressing on your wrist point 1 regularly may help promote happiness by regulating your emotions. The base of the thumb point is located on your wrist. The hand valley point can be found in the firm skin between the thumb and index finger. Reflexologists claim that applying firm touch to this pressure point may help reduce stress, as well as alleviate migraines, toothaches, shoulder tension, and neck pain. Reflexology is one of the safest and least invasive complementary therapeutic practices available. The biggest benefit of reflexology for any health practitioner is that this method is non-invasive, and your patients don't have to remove their clothing as it treats the entire body. The body has the ability to heal itself. Following illness, stress, injury, or disease, it is in a state of imbalance, and vital body systems can be blocked, preventing the body from functioning optimally. Reflexology can be used to restore and maintain the body's natural balance and facilitate healing. For each person, the application and the effect of the therapy are unique. Sensitive, trained hands can detect tiny deposits and imbalances, and by working on these points, the practitioner can release these blockages. Please be advised that some pressure points in the hands and feet may induce contractions, so this method is not recommended for pregnant women. If you're trying to use reflexology to induce labor, only do so with your doctor's approval. There is a risk of premature delivery, and babies are healthiest if born at 40 weeks of gestation. Now, let's explore some ways you can use your bamboo tool to release neck pain. You may use a very small amount of massage oil and rub it onto the neck for more traction. Then you can use 1-inch or 1.5 inches small bamboo stick to find the pressure points alongside the neck muscles. Please be gentle and communicate with your patient. If pressure exceeds more than 6 on the pain scale of 1 to 10, stop or modify pressure. You can use your bamboo tool to perform very gentle cervical traction for neck release. Please stay within the scope of your practice, and if you don't feel comfortable using the tool, you can always switch to manual therapy instead. You can work up to 5 minutes per each side of the neck. You can heat the bamboo stick prior by wrapping it in the hot towel, or you may use a light torch to heat up the tool. We recommend that you finish your bamboo massage session applying a heat pack or a warm towel onto the neck and face for an additional 5 minutes. The ancient Japanese practice called takafumi translates as to step upon a bamboo. It is a very popular and unique form of maintenance exercise that has been practiced in Japan, China, and Korea for centuries. According to a century-old traditional medical knowledge, takafumi can remarkably remedy a variety of illnesses such as frozen shoulder, back pain, cramps, numbness, hypertension, constipation, insomnia, depression, urinary trouble, atopy, and tinnitus. How to perform takafumi exercise. The takefumi, Japanese bamboo foot massager, is very easy to use. Simply place it on the floor with the rounded side up and stand on it. Then work your feet back and forth to massage all areas of your feet. How does takefumi work? Our feet are being compressed by the forces of gravity all day long and somewhat creates a pattern of stress. This pressure challenges the muscles and bones of your feet, and if it continues, it can cause the bones to become misaligned, nerves to become irritated, and muscles will begin to weaken. This effect can impact other muscular skeletal parts of your body. Walking on bamboo helps decompress your feet and pushes it back into shape. These are the simple fundamentals of takafumi. You may get healthier and may live even longer, and you might forget your problems. Of course, you need to continue doing this to see good results. Let's say for 3 months. You may get instant results, whether it's a simple back pain, shoulder pain, or stiff neck and shoulders. The takafumi, stepping upon bamboo exercise, can help revitalize your bone, muscle, blood vessels, nerves, and other related parts of your body. It is recommended that you perform this exercise 2 to 3 times a day with a total of about 180 to 200 or even 300 steps. Of course, the most important thing to remember is to continue doing it for a lifetime. Also count out 1, 2, 3 loudly while doing the exercise. It will help a lot and won't even cost you a cent. Yes, a lot of people ask how to cure or heal their illnesses. We like to advise you that you should do some exercises such as the takefumi, or walking on a pebble path to build a healthy body and avoid contracting incurable diseases beforehand. You can also perform a variety of agility and balance exercises using your takefumi bamboo foot massager. You may do that as part of your training, warm-up, or cool-down sessions. We recommend using takefumi when assessing your patients and getting to know their pain threshold. Let them take their shoes off and step on the bamboo ladder or takefumi for a few seconds. Allow patients to stand on the takefumi and then ask them what parts of the body they feel tension the most. This will help you better understand their gait, foot dominance, and the weakest links in their bodies. Write down the notes, and after assessing your patient, you may begin your bamboo massage therapy session.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bamboo soft tissue release techniques, wellness tips, and tutorials. See you next time.